Hello and welcome to Studemia. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Linux command line tools. We'll explore essential commands like cd, pwg, and ls, understanding what they are, why they're used, and how you can use them to navigate your Linux system efficiently. Let's jump right in. Now, we're starting with a basic but essential command in Linux, known as the cd command, which stands for change directory. Let's simplify this. Imagine your computer's file system is like a house with many rooms. Each room represents a different more, just like your house has a bedroom, living room, and kitchen also. Now the cd command is like walking through the doors of these rooms. When you use cd, you're moving from one room to room, one bedroom to another bedroom or directory, to another within this house of your computer's files and folders directory are like that as well. In computer, each folder and file think like a room, but if you want to move one file or folder to another folder, you need to use command like cd to switch directory. Let's take a practical example. Think of the home directory in Linux as the main living area in your house. In this digital house, every user has their own personal space, like a personal room, known as their home directory. This is where they keep their private stuff. It could be anything from documents to music. When you type cd/home in your terminal, it's just like stepping into this main living area of your digital house. In this home area, you'll find personal spaces for everyone who uses your computer. Using the cd command is quite simple. Just as you would walk to different rooms in your house, you can type cd followed by the name of the directory or room you want to go to. This way, you can easily move around and explore different parts of your file system, just like walking through different rooms in your house. Now let's explore how to navigate your Linux file system using the command line. We'll focus on the cd command and a few others that are essential for exploring directories and files. Let's begin. First, open your terminal. This is your gateway to interacting with the Linux file system using commands. Let's start by finding out where we are. Type pwd and press enter. This command stands for print working directory and shows your current directory path. It's like checking your current room in the house. As you can see, we are currently in the home/dt user directory. This means that we are in the personal directory of the user named dt. Now let's visit the root directory, the base of our file system. Type cd/ and press enter. This takes you to the root, like stepping into the main entrance of the house. Let's see what's in the root directory. Type ls and press enter. This lists all files and subdirectories here, like looking around the main entrance for doors to other rooms. Next, we'll go to the home directory. Type cd/home and press enter. This is like walking into the living area where each user has their personal space, and now type ls, who is the current user of it, and as you can see dt, and you can enter dt user room by type cd/he from directory. Now, let's see what's in your personal directory. Type ls and press enter. You'll see your personal files and folders listed. Now if you want to enter to your personal folder like document, you need to type cd/documents. And once you are in document folder, how do you verify it? Let's verify by typing pwd command to make sure we are in document directory. As you can see, it outputs start from /home/dt/documents. This is the way you can practice yourself to familiarize yourself with Linux command line. Thank you for watching this tutorial.